I welcome you all in this session. Today we are going to construct an NFA that accept set of all strings over A and B, where every string must contains a small ab as a sub. So first we will find the sigma here, that is A and B. Here we have to accept the string that contains AB as a substring. So every string must contain AB as a substring. So you can see all the string here contains AB. So we have to accept all these string. Here our language L will be infinite. Now here the condition is we have to move from a state on input small a to a next state, and from that state we have to move to a final state on input b. Means we have to encounter small a and small b essentially. Then only we can reach to a final state. So here from state A on input small a, our next state will be B, and from state B on input small b, our next state will be C. So here you can see we cannot reach to the final state C without scanning substring A, B, and there may exist any number of A's or any number of B's before the occurrence of A, B. Similarly, there is no restriction on the occurrence of any number of A's or any number of B's after the occurrence of substring AB. So there may exist any number of A's and any number of B's before the occurrence of this substring, and there may exist any number of A's or any number of B's after the occurrence of substring AB. So this will be our NFA. We will check for few inputs like AB, AB. So starting from the initial state A, either we can consider the next move to A itself, or from state A to state B. So if we are considering from state A to state B on input small a, our next state will be B, and on input small b, our next state will be C. Now on input small a again, our next state will be C, and on input B from state C, our next state will be C, and C is a final state. So the string AB will be accepted. Now we will check for the string BA AB. So from state A on input B, our next state will be A. Now on input small a, our next state will be A. Now on input small a again, our next state will be B from A. Now on input small b from state B, our next state will be C. So C is a final state and this string will also be accepted. So this will be the NFA which will accept the given language. So this is all from my side for today's session. Thank you for joining.